This video will show you how to insert a table in a Microsoft Word document. Click Insert. Click Table. A drop-down menu will open. Select a table size. Hover your cursor over the squares to create the dimensions you want. You should see the squares turn orange when selected. Click to create the table. The table will be created in the designated area. If you want to create a table bigger than 10 by 8, click Insert Table. In the drop-down menu instead, enter the number of columns and rows. Click OK to add the table. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.